chickies got moved to fresh grass this morning. There's our barn kitty that came to us when he was just a baby. He would meow at us from the edge of the woods. She is out. She needs to be back in. Look how much they love that grass. This is where they were. You can see where they kind of Of course, you can't go outside in peace because then you have little girls screaming at you. Like, how dare you? What you guys doing, huh? So this is like their outside pen, and at night they go into the garage because this is not predator proof. So, and they're not quite big enough to go in the coop yet because they'll get pecked to death by these ones. They don't have a mama to protect them, so I'm going to keep them out here to kind of get acclimated, and then I'll supervise visits with the big ones, and then they'll go in the coop at night. Do you hear that, girl? I've had my neighbors go, "Oh my goodness, she really loves to scream, doesn't she?" Yep. Mommy's not here right now. Leave a message after the beep. Beep. I hear that. Aren't they cute? There's 14 of them in there. Of course, we don't need that many chickens, but chicken math is real, guys. And the hawks kind of like us, so I don't expect all of them to make it to old age, unfortunately. They sure do love that grass, though. What do you guys think? So I was supposed to have 4 Americanas, 4 Olive Eggers, and 4 Plymouth Blue Rock, or Plymouth Blues or something like that. And then I picked up on a whim 2 Wyandottes because they had extras. And none of these birds are supposed to have feathery feet, yet a bunch of them do, so I'm not sure I got the ones I was supposed to get. They were kind of all mixed together, and I mean, they're from a hatchery, but a farmer's market is where I had to pick them up. They ordered them, and then they pulled them out of like a mixed box while I was there. Like, there were a bunch of mixed boxes. They had like 2 or 3 different breeds in them, and so I'm not exactly sure if they gave me the right ones or not, because I didn't want feathery feet chickens. I feel like that's probably a recipe for frostbite. I don't know, but we'll see. None of them have names because I don't really name our chickens because we end up eating them eventually. But they're super cute. All right, done.